Tes, oke. Oh, oke. Ayo kita masuk ke Nemogoriki. Udah lama banget ya nggak main game RPG horror, dan gue kangen dengan game RPG horror karena gue baru-baru ngeliat banyak cosplayer RPG horror. Kenapa gue ini fans berat RPG horror? Kenapa kita nggak main game RPG horror? Jadi ya ini dia. Sekarang kita mulai aja yuk. Stars, backstage apa tuh? Kayaknya sih kayak load ya gue rasa sih. Oh oke, gue bisa kecilin ini akhirnya. Gue selalu pengen itu kok. Jangan full screen. Yes. Option adalah favorit gue. Di dalam game yang gak ada optionnya, get the fuck out. Oke, back start. This game contains flashing light and rapidly changing image, which can trigger photosensitive epilepsy or other similar symptoms. If you have history of epilepsy or seizures, consult with a doctor before playing. If you experience dizziness, visual abnormalities, twitching, loss of consciousness, discomfort or pain while playing, stop immediately and seek medical advice. Oke. Ini mirip kayak si Kogasa mungkin ya, unyu banget itu. Dan ya kali ini gue nggak pakai wig, biarin aja lah. Use wood. Oh, that's cute. So, oh oke. Gue jadi arwah Yomu mungkin. Jadi Yomu konfeti ya. Oke, now what? Walk up to other characters, starts conversation. Tidur dia. Hey, we have a visitor here. What? Another visitor has arrived? Welcome. Hey kid, do you not happen to have any ticket? No worries at all. For our lost souls, we offer our service free of charge. Would you like to get your ticket to Confetti now? Okay, sure, why not? So what should we call you? Gue cewek apa cowok? You know what, Ricky? Bisa cewek bisa cowok kan itu? Ricky, good. I remember that. Are you sure about this name? Of course. Here's a present for you. A special paper craft. Make sure to take good care of it. And as a special gift for all our visitors, we prepare unique costumes for dressing up. Gue bisa edit karakter gue kah? Enjoy the park as lovely paper boat, and don't ever get lost again. Gua nggak paham di sini nih. Gua bisa gerak kak? Oh iya bisa. Bagus banget grafiknya itu. Jadi kayak Omni apa nih? Sirkus, digital sirkus. Oh, gua cewek. Shift to turn into the paper boat and dash. Get closer to object with stars and investigate. Gue cewek. Oh well, nggak apa-apa lah. Harusnya gue namain siapa tadi? Kalau cewek, Mbak Erika. Nah, I'm so sorry. Gue sudah tidak dengan Mbak Erika lagi. This for lost soul. So many weird bodies here. Don't be afraid. They will be glad to show you around. There's something on the back of the note. Looking forward to seeing you in person. Iya. Oh, kita bisa kiri dan kanan. Oke, siap. See what you found? A toy block. You pat it with your paper arm. Imagine the pain it may feel. Ouch! You notice that the color on the block has been dyed into it. As the paint comes off into your arm. Oh no! Gue nyakitin dia kah? cotton candy comes out of the chimney. The sugar smell makes sweeten your teeth off if you still have any. Gua nggak nyakitin si bloknya itu mungkin. Betul, gue pengen ganti nama sih. Yaudah, biarlah. Ricky kan crossplay juga, jadi ya udah. The key block that beckon you to open it, and it's just the right size for you. Geez, the ribbon of the book is hairy. Then you realize it's a soft, fluffy stuffed toy. See what you find underneath? A key. Black, pinky, plastic key with a toy-like texture. A wooden box with a number on it. Touch it, noticing that it's soft. It doesn't have any soft edge. Okay, you guess it could be a pillow shaped like a block. Well, it's a key. Loading. Unyu sih, serius. Game itu unyu banget. Kelihatannya unyu gitu. Wow, jauh banget. Apa itu? Jauh banget ya. Halo? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Siapa lagi nih? Uramesia! The colorless Reiki, our protagonist has finally arrived at the stage. I am Delirium. I shall be your tour guide. Will guide you in your journey through Confetia. But first, I prepare you a little opening performance. Apa tuh kira-kira? First, act to the protagonist. Spikes, chainsaw, round chainsaw. Ricky, stop hiding. Embrace your ending in this excellent welcome from Confetia. Why is it my business if you two are having fun? Well, why can I still speak? Oh, does it take it this long to die? Our visitor Ricky, who just entered Confetia, is already faced with... Huh? Who are you? Demetria. Huh? What are you? We having a second visitor. Don't mind me. The second one shall die in a second. Oh, nice try. But look at yourself. Have you ever felt pain up until now? Didn't I bleed out to the point that I can no longer feel pain? Wait, it's not even a single wound. Was I being impaled for real? Why didn't I feel anything? Yes. Why? Because we are already dead? Not there yet. In order to die from wounds, one should at least have a physical body, right? But here you're just souls. Of course you can never get hurt, nor can you die of physical wounds. Your flesh bodies are safe and sound in the world above. Above, then this place must be... Limbo? So we are all ghosts after all. I'm just kidding. This is the place between the underworld and the mortal world. If the underworld and mortal world are the two pieces of meat of a burger, then the place will be the bun in the middle. Huh? Ah, wrong order of words. In short, no one can die here, right? Indeed, no one can die here. Anyway, so let's do it again. Oh my gosh, she's so cute as fuck. Oke, dia unyu banget tau gak? Gue gak tahu dia siapa, cuman gue jatuh cinta sama dia. Oh, see, amazing isn't it? You can hardly find your way without a guide in Confetia without this unusual path. What's wrong with his head? Why did you attack us? What's wrong with you, sir? I'm still inspecting. So am I. Talking to you reminds me of the last visitor on my tour. What happened to that person? What happened? What happened? Oh. What did you say? Oh, by the way, before your tour starts officially, have you ever thought about how amazing it is to be immortal? Your adventure can last forever. Does that mean if we can find the exit, we'll be stuck here forever? Well, not that there aren't other ways, but I think it's a bit too early for that. Because compared to that, there's something worse. Souls won't suffer physical death, however, souls still have spirits. When your spirit is eroded completely, it will collapse. You will fall into utter madness, and there's no way back. However, one will die here. You can lose your sanity, but never your life. What happened in that endless madness, I wonder? Listen carefully. What the fuck is that? It's the carnival of spiritual death only. Dear visitors, this is the end of our guide too. From now on, every step you take in the park, every joy and sorrow you share will become your very own story. So I hope you embrace the most delightful of emotion and have a nice tour. Ada darahnya. Top left corner show how much spirit you have left. Okay. No. Gue gak tau nama lu siapa, tapi ayo cepetan. Kita where these hands come from all of a sudden? My brains feel melting when I'm touched by them. Oh shit! Yeah! Apa? Ricky? Okay. Ricky, do you know it? In your journey ahead, you will face even more spectacular abnormal evil to eat you. That is to say, you cannot get away. I'm not sure if you're strong enough to survive long enough to find the ultimate exit of the park. But seriously, reaching the exit may not be the best choice, so we say. But I know a secret, I know the best way to get home. I pity you. I truly hope you can reach the best end. That outcome will indeed be ideal for Confetti. That is the time I anticipate more than anyone else. If you allow it, I hope to clear the abnormal for you, ensuring a smooth journey ahead. Importantly, it's your story. Therefore, I can interfere. After all, Ricky, is the endless carnival host only for you. Oh my god, this is so cool as fuck. Grafiknya itu beneran keren banget, serius, tau gak? Jadi bener-bener artistik banget tau. I like that. Lucu banget, gue ini kertas ya. To pick up the dessert, tap to open your backpack. Sure, why not? Jadi ini untuk isi darah kan? Welcome. Welcome aboard the welcome cable of our park. We will show you the wonder of Confetti of your spirit and imagination. We are committed to provide an unique experience for every one of our visitors. The fantastic environment and colorful palette has always been okay. Speaking of this, I must mention the transport pipe soaring in all direction. Oh, okay. Confetti Factory. Okay. Jadi gue harus menghindari itu kan? Recipe, the brand content, delicious emotion, and David. Okay, everything is colorful. Why don't you have your color? Refrain. Lu baca sendiri lah ya. Gue mencoba menghindar di sini. Lihat darah gue berkurang. You want to eat it? Why? Oh my god, this is cool as fuck! Is that delicious? I wanna bet too. What happened to your face? Is that delicious? I wanna bet too. No way. No, it's not allowed. Gua unyu banget sumpah. Tuh bener, gue gak tau gue ini cewek apa cowok, karena ada juga yang cewek rambutnya panjang. I'm telling you, I noticed it already. Jangan bilang lu mod girlfriend if you know what I mean. Lu cewek cowok. If I pull the paper boat off your head, then it must be a bald patch underneath it. Botak pala gua. Who are you? Me? I am... You lost soul. How can you expect to find your way home safely in this chaotic world of confetti? Well, let me teach you something important. Firstly, take that paper boat off. Never mind it for a moment. How did you get that paper fortune teller? Quick, pick a number. 2. Pick a direction. Aduh, west. Direction of fate will be Little Dummy Ailis. Great, then I will stop eating from you, Little Dummy Ailis. Ah! Siapa tuh, Bunui? Oh my god, gue demen banget saat dia grafiknya begini. Fish. Hey, not for you. Fish. You are not listening at all. Well, do you have any idea why abnormal wants to eat you that much? Their one and only desire is to feast on fear and desperation. Under their attack, your soul will ooze black and white pain like wounds poisoning blood into the bandage. They say real colorless prey like you are exactly their favorite. Well, little paper boat, let me tell you a secret. Abnormals don't have invaded this town. They probably came through this place one day and nobody could do a thing about it. Only the paper craft in your hands is specially prepared for visitors. It can reverse the abnormal. Paper craft is called Oricare. Listen carefully. What the fuck was that? Oh, I get it now. Keren banget sumpah. See, there's the power of the Oricard shock. Skull body and wounds don't exist in this world. To overcome an opponent, the only way is to use spiritual powers. You just need a stronger mind than your opponent to suppress them, to affect the spiritual effect onto them. Oricard is a medium for such. The instantaneous shock generates a burst of spiritual energy, enough to reverse the state of your opponent. Paper boat, teeny little paper boat. Do you have any idea on what it means to hold the Oricard? Whether you like it or not, the fate of Confetia is under your control, little brat. What? You said your name is Ricky? None of my business. Alright, if I keep our protagonist here for too long, our audience will get mad. Go on with your sailing. I almost forgot the most important thing. I haven't taken a bit out of you yet. Gue bisa skill, jangan macam-macam. Gila, serius. Ini game gratis indie dan lu punya grafik seperti itu. Oh, oke, gue harus menghindar. Ini jadi Danmaku, biji Danmaku. Oke, gameplaynya ini cukup unyu ya, cukup unyu dan seru kata gue. Oh, oke. Jangan E-nya itu jangan ditahan kok gitu. Tahannya nanti aja. Oh, sakit. E-nya tahan aja saat udah ini. Apa lo? Oh, itu isi darah. Oke. Welcome kabel, welcome you. Oke. Ini mod girlfriend kayaknya sih. Be silent. Apa? Was this place always that dark? I remember it correctly. Ouch, you startled me. Are you still alive? The security treated you way too nicely. A bunch of idiots. Everything is for me then? Oh, and another thing I want to tell you when we met. Your dandruff is exploding. Ketombe? We've arrived at the terminal of Welcome Cable. Thank you for joining us. Our Welcome Cable will forever welcome you. You only gave us this little time to chat? Someone must be really impatient. Ricky, do you know how wonderful it could be if all abnormal in confetti are fixed? No one mentioned spirit will ever get hurt. Be a perfect amusement park of pure innocence. You will no longer be exposed to fear, and no soul will ever collapse. No human will ever die here. Confettia, the most... I think that will be the best ending. I try not to get squares. Alright, do you need my help to fold yourself up? I could even steal your hair. I'm quite talented in handcraft. Click-clack. No paper cuts. To be honest, gue lebih suka rambut panjang, jadi aku nggak mau bob cut. How about a slanted fringe? Or a mohawk, or maybe you want to be bald? Or braid hair? Alright, Confettia is still waiting for you. See ya, Paperboat. Who are you after all? As you can see, I am Lucia. I told you so many secrets, don't tell anyone else, including I am Lucia. Because Lucia doesn't exist, there is no illusion. Oh my god, it's cool as fuck. Jadi itu semuanya ilusi? Oke, gue nggak tahu apa yang terjadi, but grafiknya beneran memukau mata banget. Ricky, ayo bangun. This piece of paper fell along with you, but you don't think you have ever seen it before. On the paper is a sketch of some kind of soft-bodied ocean creature, or maybe just a couple of tangled crook lines. This is some immature kid that put it on your back while you were distracted. Confettia Classic Welcoming Event. The tour of the Welcome Cable is coming to the end. After a brief introduction, do you have a better understanding of this park now? Now you can follow the route and start your journey officially into the first area. Up ahead, Button House. The last part of the note is scribbled up. So, dikit lagi tamat kah? Karena jujur aja di game ini lu nggak bisa save. Dia cuma accelerate dan rest. Jadi gue nggak tahu. Apa itu? Semangka? As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow the button, so shall you reap the button flower. You find yet another sticker on the back of this paper. The writing on it is so different. The first time I came here, there was no park, just a vast empty space. The only attraction were a merry-go-round with tons of teeth and bumper cars on fire. Though they were all gone after the construction of this area was complete. But back then, compared to these abnormal facilities, the most interesting thing was still the visitor on a black and white teddy bear costume. Holding a tethered doll, the teddy visitor looked timid. Don't be shy, play around with woo-woo. To be continued. Who? Button House. Oh, kancing, okay. Karakter baru lagi kah? Apa ya? Hello? What? A part of fan little with star-shaped flags. It's hard to see clearly in the light, but you can barely recognize that the paint of different colors. The introduction speed at the welcome cable said that the fan feed is spirit. You are curious about how they taste. A giant broken pipe, pen like liquid, is oozing from the bottom. If the paint are edible here, then this one must taste terrible, you think? Oh. Hello, ticket? Confetti latest article lottery box. The random prize inside, don't miss them. Of course. I want this. Permen. Look at the symbol on the lottery box, and you will know what prize they hold. Dessert shop selling delicious food made of colorful paints, rich in ecstatic emotions. Your prime choice for expressing spiritual moment. Except confetti vouchers only. Okay, bisa belanja dengan tiket yang rasa. What the fuck? Get a lottery box from a lottery box. Get another lottery box from a lottery box. Again, okay. Where are there so many teeth on the merry-go-round? Thomason Park weren't like this in where I live. I recall the notice on the billboard. Beware of abnormal appearance in Confetti. Watch out for their spiritual attack. Is that what abnormal is? While I was thinking, I saw a trembling figure walking towards me. That he was attacked by the abnormal merry-go-round. Luckily, I had lots of dessert that can heal the spirits, and I shared some with Teddy. It's just that they were too expensive. There goes most of my saving. Teddy told me that it will be great to have a big spinning wheel of water here. You spin the wheel and endless sweets will come out if one's lucky. Maybe because Teddy has never been in the amusement park, nor have they ever played this kind of game before. Even the introvert Teddy said this was exciting. To be continued. Lucu. Oke, kita ke tengah yuk. Oke. Oke, gue punya 1, 3. Ini apa? Nah, gue masih pengen nyimpen uang gue. What the fuck is this? Ahead, Wheel of Fortune. The biggest and most immersive Wheel of Fortune in the Button House. The chosen lucky audience can attempt the challenge to win a prize. Don't be discouraged if you didn't beat me. Wheel of Fortune will play with you forever till you win. Come in. Okay, this is the best. Ini ya grafiknya itu, gue suka banget dan gue punya juga. Hello. Hey Ricky, you're heading to the first attraction in Button House already. Talk my world as a guide is pretty much over. I'm so really curious about what kind of fun you're going to have. Quick survey. Do you think the moon is made out of blueberries? Are there geese swimming in the green box? Are there shadow eating orange in the circus? Yes. I expected so. Anyway, where has Demetria gone to? Been smashed into jam in tribal accident. Surely that would happen. But never mind. So who are you? Did you have fun with the welcome cable? I learned how to use Oricleria. Something only visitor can get. Strange. no one else other than Visitor have ever obtained the Ori card or learned how to use it in the entirety of Confetti. How did you suddenly learn how to use it? I figured it out myself. Ilusnya jangan kasar. Interesting. I heard this answer before. Hey, you are not still worried of me just because I scared you a little at the entrance, are you? Honestly, I just intend to show you the terror of the abnormal. To be honest, Ricky, let's whisper for a moment. I have no intention whatsoever to hurt you. I shoulder my one and only duty, to guide the visitor on the right path. If anyone wants you to save Confetti with Oricard, that is definitely the wrong path, leading to the worst ending for the whole Confetti. Why? Ricky, keep your eyes wide open. Because the illusion is squattingly okay. Just like I said, the first attraction in Button House is just ahead. Huh? Why the face? I didn't say anything weird. Our Wheel of Fortune will provide visitor with delicately designed games. Go ahead with your all-capable Oricard and try Little Hero in Confettia. Really? Ini agak sedikit menyeramkan. Welcome back to the topic at hand. Do you like the game boat and at Carnival? With all the colorful figure lined up that you can take home if you toss ring into them. Oh dear, there seem to be more than 2 of us here. Can you hear me? A winner, woo inside! Woo, as the lucky winner, do you have anything you like to say? Pakai kacamata dia unyu banget. Well, as a winner on the way. Ricky, oh shit. If you beat 3 games, I will reward you with big prize. How? See who this is? Oh shit! Demetria! Finally, someone is here to take my place and play with this thing. Alright, you're alive! Alright! Well, I'm still here. Oh no, Ricky, you must have been haunted by hallucinations. Hey, can anybody hear me? Hello, hello? If you keep chatting with non-existent things, you probably go insane for real. Hey. I think so. Becoming someone like Delirini will be terrifying. Play with the Wheel of Fortune or everyone will be smashed into jam. Great. Hooray! Also, can you put me down? No, you don't seem to understand. I will only let you go if Ricky beats me. Impossible. Jump under the floor. Wheel of Fortune. You do know that jumping from this height can even hurt a school kid, right? I don't want to play your games anymore. My game is absolutely fair. If you lost, you accept the punishment. Who forced me to play rock, paper, scissors with 6 hands at the same time? Why this kiddo is so lacking in the spirit of fun? I've been playing with you for way too long. Never mind, but you two are a little troubling. You should stay in here. Helping Ricky is against the rule. Cheating is no good. Are you expecting us to just stand here hopelessly while watching Ricky get torn into pieces? Don't tell it. Just think of it, paper scraps are so hard to clean. Oh, come on, Ricky, at least you don't have to stay here and listen to them talking. Ricky, you seem to be holding a very interesting paper craft. Let's play some special games. If you beat me, the Wheel of Fortune will reward you a huge amount of vouchers. How's that? Would you like to try your luck? You don't have a choice anyway. Cheater. I'm not. The rules of the first game. You must have fire ring toss game before having it. I will drop in a lot of lovely little dolls. When a doll enters one of the like circle, catch them by shocking them with your Oricard. If you capture 5 dolls, you will be considered a winner. Other rules clear? Clear. Ready? Mana lagi? Udah kan? Comfort, Wheel of Fortune. You cock one dolls. What the fuck? What a pity, so close. But it's fine, the generous Wheel of Fortune will give you a second chance. You have plenty of time to play leisurely. Wait, I forgot to say earlier. I was suddenly grabbed by a swarm of hands, and then I was broken. And that big minion wheel just forced me to play forever and won't let me go. While I was stuck here, what happened with Ricky? I took a ride on her stuff. Sounds like another trick, but it's actually a trick. Don't you dare try any tricks in front of me. The next game is easy enough. I will give different commands, and you must complete them with a time limit. But be very careful. With intellect games, you must do the opposite of what the order says. For example, if I say stand still, you should keep running. If I say open a box, then don't open any box, but only when the leg is dim. Oh shit. If you complete 10 commands, you win. Listen again. When the lights are on, saat lampu nyala, ikutin komen. Jika lampunya mati, lakukan apa ini? Well, move. Why? Lampunya mati. Complete this comment. Yes! Take it. The great bunch of vouchers. You can run away. You delicious little thing. Like running around. Geez, Demetria, I think it's going to eat you up. Did you say that I wanted to eat this kid with a cross on her head? This is your hostage, and I am your hostage too. If I really wanted to eat someone, I would have taken them as a hostage. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't think you could possibly figure it out. Sweet. There, since you asked for it. The Wheel of Fortune can only complete your wish. Last game. If Ricky lose, everyone and every paper are going to be eaten. Ta-da! Woo! I'm flying! I will hide Demetria in one of the lottery boxes. If you manage to find her, you win. Easy, right? However, every time the legs dims, abnormal will show up. No time limit this time. If you can find her, play the game here forever. Are the rules clear? Listen again. Oke, di sebelah kiri sebelah sini. Oke. Start. Ready? Hi. You know where the battery is? What's mine now? Let me see if it's dropping on the waste paper from inside the box. Amazing, if you watch and listen carefully, you can find a lot of cool stuff in this very place, don't you think? Fuck you! Hi. You must be confused on why you steal me. Looking around, everyone must have made you dizzy. Or else, why would you try to find her at where I am? Okay. Nggak bagus ini. Sebelah kanan berarti. No. What? Oh, I get it now. Hey, you found her. I can't believe you found her. Ah, thanks. Thought I was gonna be stuck here forever. Are you okay? Wait, let me see. Brilliant, the sweets I want from the Wheel of Fortune are still with me. The sweets here can refresh your spirit, right? Take this first. I know it will restore to trickery, but I didn't expect it to hide me in such a place. Come over here, Wheel of Fortune has prepared a super prize for you. Ah, no. Ricky never disappoints. You actually found her. Fine, let me defeat. So the generous Wheel of Fortune hereby decide to give you a special prize box. Don't you want to go home? Then keep advancing. You may find the exit if you are lucky enough. But there doesn't seem to be any path ahead. The cheater is cheating even until the last time. What is this, a box? A teleportation box. Good day to you. Good day. The man is turning out to be quite the opposite. A teleportation box can teleport you to somewhere else. If you feed me with a tiny gingerbread, but I'm on diet, I can teleport you for free, just this one time. You don't have to feed me. The teleportation is one-way trip. You can go back and take a rest at the dessert shop first. What the fuck? Sure, why not? Kita belanja dulu dah yuk. Gue disuruh belanja dulu. Ayo Demetria. Namanya Demetria kan? Nama gue. Oh, gue dapet ini. Ya udah beli. Tapi harganya mahal juga sih. What the fuck? Gue pengen beli kayak gini. Oh well. Pengen makan dulu. Oke. Yuk. Ayo Demetria. Udah ngerekam berapa sih? Hampir mau sejam sih. Tapi serius ini grafiknya beneran bagus banget, menarik mata banget terus. Ayo cepetan. It's a one-way trip. Once I swallow you, there's no going back. Can go back teleport now? Yes. What? Oh, okay, sorry. We were swallowed in this instant, swallowed by a box. Wait, are we inside the box? I just find where the exit is. When you have a partner, they might have something to say something. Sometimes I and chat with you. I'm thinking, if it's not that dangerous, then this place may be good for sleep. Forget what I said. I'll just be a little deprived of sleep. Oh, Demetria, kamu unyu banget. Sweets, free sweets. If you like them, welcome to our shop. Ada sis. At least we survived the Wheel of Order. I know it will play dirty, but it didn't expect it to be that crazy. How did you finally find me? I fell with Royce. What's worth you calling her me? Luckily it worked. Ah, you look so tiny, but you're so brave. Facing everything with a poker face. Diam ya. I'm cute. True, Ricky is very cute. I'm over here, yet I'm over there. What? Exit sebelah kiri. Maintenance report transfer pipe functioning properly. No sign of rupture. Apa tiket lagi? Mungkin ngobrol lagi. Gallery ini disappeared again. Now it's the only two of us. Spit out a paper tear. Stares at her in silence. Tapi gue lebih suka Demetria. Udah, lu gak mau ngobrol lagi. Hai Demetria. What the exit kiri kanan? Artinya itu oke deh, teka-teki ini gue gak tau dia apa aja. 2 tambah 3 jadi 5. Another box. Exit seems like a bluff anyway. There is no exit. It looks like our only choice is to teleport through the box like we just did, right? So we're just entering another box. Doesn't sound great. Let's find the teeny gingerbread it asked for. The quizboard over there looks suspicious. Maybe they are related somehow. Feed me with one teeny gingerbread and I can teleport you. Lima. Salah kan? What? Ada. Oh, 2 3 bintang, 2 diamond. 1 bintang cuma berapa? 1 dulu. Oh, ini. tadi kayaknya lebih. Oh, aduh, di sini banyak hati mah. Oh, ini dia. Tuh 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3. Tuh 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sama 3. Ini 5, 3. 5 kali 2 10. 3 kali 3 12. 22. Oke, berarti 4. 4 kali 2 8. 8 3 kali 3 6. 8 6 tuh 2 3 4 5 6 14. What? Nih, bentar. Gini. Iya, ini kan bintang. Coba. Kan 4 apa 5? Oke, gini. Kita notepad. Bintang 3. Kok hadiah 5 atau 4? Oke, coba. Ayo Demetria. Ya bintang 3. 3 kali 3 9. 9 19. Kalau salah juga. Oke, 19 berarti 4. Sorry. Yes. Any idea about the puzzle? The puzzle on the board? If it's a math test, then the question revolves around the significance of the number represented by the diamond and the star. A diamond and a star must seen them somewhere around here. The two rooms look alike, and the layout also match. Could the answer be related to the number of specific items in this room? Okay. What? Jangan bilang gua kebalik. Iya benar, bintang 3. 3 kali 3 9. 9. 4 kali 2 8. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. 17 kah? The poor per second attack has so much equation on it. So, enggak, lu minggir. Gua pengen 17. Oke, benar. Gue bodoh sekali sih. Makanya gue itu nggak pintar dengan MTK tau. Fit me with the ginger red. Oke. Wing. What the fuck am I? Great, so I'll buy a box for the third time today. This may be the last time. Ricky, being optimistic is a good thing at least. Oh, fuck you, Pat. Ricky, do you enjoy horror movies? Anyways, I think we should definitely not split up. Okay. Fridge can refrigerate ice cream. Can a block books refrigerate toys too? Find another sticker on the back of this paper. Writing on this seems different. Teddy had a few color pencils with them. They draw stuff all the time. No wonder they were in Teddy costume. All their doodles were that of teddy bears. Teddy bears always wore colorful buttons. Teddy said buttons look like pretty candies, and they suit the teddy bears well, so they like it. If only there was a big box specially for putting in blocks and toys. Teddy always said that to me, but I didn't quite understand. I'm more interested in the mysterious ancient monsters, octopus, devils. We continue. Exit is ahead, but why would you want to leave? Exit is ahead, but why? Gue pengen save sih. You know what? Gue pilih bintang. Sama juga. Oh no. Oke. Belakang. What? Okay, nothing. Apa ini? Tapi mana gingerbreadnya? Alah, kapan selesai ini? Dan nge-save gimana caranya? What the fuck is that? Boo! Finally, someone's here. Two new kids. Why are you staring at the top of my head? Oh, me? Oh, that's because your head looked dynamic. Oh, I remember that. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I have no idea why I become like this. The only one who probably knows the answer is the one who broke me here. My body is put away after it's broken. So now be in the room on the right. Can you still live with your head and body being apart? Of course, kiddos. No human can survive it. The serve for knowledge is good, but stop it here. May I ask if you have ever seen a tiny gingerbread? It can teleport us away. Maybe we can live together. No, I don't want to go outside. I'm still waiting for someone, but I did eat some gingerbread. It should still be in my head. With words with a common tongue. May you give us that gingerbread? Well, I guess, whatever. I haven't met anyone I can talk to for age. Can you help me find a little candy? All the toys you removed are dry. I'm the only one left. But I always wanted to know that candy tastes. The toys should know where the candy is. If you can help me to find with the candy, I give you the gingerbread, okay? At your service. Or we will be stuck with you forever. Let's check the room on the right again. God damn it, ini termasuk gak? Kapan-kapan cosplay lagi? Ini kan? Knock knock. Who is it? Do you know where the candy is? I never tell you that there is still one last candy we're hiding. True, we don't know about the last hidden candy. We also don't know where the candy is. Yep, no one knows that the candy is still in the room on the left, and it's not behind me. Not behind you, really? Serius lu? Ini badannya di sini. Knock knock. Are you that little food stealing octopus? No, we are photographers running around. Or the guy who knocked on the train and ran away straight after? We are just visitor passing by. What visitor passing by? Oh, just unlucky wanderers. Then it's okay. What are you doing here? Do you know where the candy is? What candy? Oh, there used to be candies, but they've been pretty much all eaten. There may be the last one on the left side. It's begun to get busy ever since I moved here. I almost forgot what happened over here. The two rooms are mirror images of each other. They're confusing. Remember that back then when I was still over there, if I move 3 check to the right and then go down, I find the candy. Okay. 3 check. Knock knock. Aren't there any toys inside? No, there isn't. Do you know where the candy is? Just like that. This is a pity. I wish I could give it to the Takitron doll if I can find it. Oh, the suit is hidden in this spot determined by multiplying by the row number on the upper left corner by 10. Waduh, bingung banget. The clue is too complicated. What a shame. If we can find the sweet, we can give it as a gift. The candy is in a red check. Such a quick surrender. Am I actually not that bad conversation? Being confident about tricking a dumb doll is a little bit pathetic of me. Check. Red check. Oke, so kita balik lagi. Left room. Cuman dia bilang right check. Yes. Oke, gue gak bisa ngobrol sama dia. The bear in the lower left corner said the candy is in the room on the left and is not behind it. The one hidden behind the window is the lower right corner said the candy is in a red check. On the left side. What? Gue nggak ngerti. Cek. Mana? Cek mana? Oh, oke. Gue kira itu apaan. Kalau save bisa gak? Backstage itu kan oh, oke. Backstage race. Oh, lu bisa resume. Oke, gue nggak tahu harusnya udah tamat apa belum, tapi ya kalau gitu sama sini aja gue cukup capek. Kayaknya cukup keren dan ya karakternya unyu-unyu, dan tambah lagi si Ricky itu unyu banget, gue suka peppernya itu. Oke, kalau gitu sampai sini aja. Kalau bisa like, subscribe, dan sampai jumpa lagi dengan gue Ricky di video selanjutnya. Goodbye. Oke, cara matinya gimana?